Right, so I'll be showing you how to exit maintenance mode on your Samsung Smart TV. So as you can see, this is a Samsung TV that is in maintenance mode. So if you want to exit, go ahead and press the home button on your remote and then go to the left hand side where you'll see that menu. Now obviously the top part of the menu has been grayed out because we are in maintenance mode. So you want to go to this menu, and on that menu just scroll down to exit, select that. It's going to ask for your Samsung TV pin, so enter the pin. If you have set up a pin, then enter that pin. If you've never set up a pin on your Samsung TV, the default pin is always 4 zeros, so enter that. As soon as you enter, your TV will reboot into normal mode. And that is basically how to exit maintenance mode on your Samsung Smart TV. So just wait for the TV to boot back up and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and good luck.